crib all painted up?
We say.
No? Oh, there you go.
What you
You did it on Friday.
Michaela,
Did you ever find out what
she said.
Grandma and the twins and Bill wanted for Christmas?
Hold on.
A Mad Bomber hat. Okay, that'll be like $10.
Oopsie.
You want for the rest of the month.
Bye bye. Michaela said.
They'll probably pay us to take one of the damn things. They'll probably pay us to take one of the damn things.
What do you say, Michaela?
Oh,
Chill out. Can't figure out how to turn this off.